Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering one of the biggest financial stories of 2026. After years of anticipation, SpaceX has officially gone public in what is being called the largest IPO in history. The company has raised approximately $75 billion, giving it a valuation of around $1.77 trillion. This instantly makes SpaceX one of the most valuable companies in the world. In today's video, we'll explain what happened during the SpaceX IPO, why investors are excited, how much Elon Musk could gain, the opportunities and risks for investors, and what this means for the future of the stock market. Let's begin. First, what is an IPO? IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It is the process through which a private company sells shares to the public for the first time and becomes publicly traded on a stock exchange. For more than 20 years, SpaceX remained a private company. During that time, it attracted investments from venture capital firms, institutions, and private investors. Now, in 2026, SpaceX has finally entered the public markets, allowing ordinary investors to buy shares in the company. SpaceX sold approximately 555.6 million shares at an IPO price of $135 per share. This generated roughly $75 billion, making it the largest IPO ever completed. The company is expected to trade under the ticker symbol SPCX on the Nasdaq exchange. The scale of this IPO is unlike anything Wall Street has seen before. Previous record-setting IPOs raised only a fraction of what SpaceX has achieved. This event is being viewed as a historic moment not only for the space industry but also for global financial markets. Many people are asking the same question. How did SpaceX reach a valuation of nearly $1.8 trillion? The answer lies in its diverse business model and future growth potential. SpaceX is much more than a rocket launch company. Its businesses include commercial satellite launches, government and defense contracts, Starlink satellite internet services, deep space exploration projects, Starship development programs, and advanced technology partnerships. Over the past decade, SpaceX has transformed from an ambitious startup into a global technology powerhouse. Many investors believe the company could dominate multiple trillion-dollar industries in the future. The IPO is also a major milestone for Elon Musk. As the founder and largest shareholder of SpaceX, Musk owns a substantial portion of the company. With SpaceX now valued at around $1.77 trillion, Musk's personal wealth could increase dramatically. Some analysts believe that if SpaceX stock rises significantly after trading begins, Musk could move closer to becoming the world's first trillionaire. Whether that happens immediately or not, there is no doubt that this IPO represents one of the most significant wealth creation events in modern business history. Reports indicate that investor demand for SpaceX shares has been overwhelming. Institutional investors, hedge funds, pension funds, and retail investors have all shown strong interest. One reason is that SpaceX has long been considered one of the most successful private companies in the world. For years, investors wanted exposure to the company's growth, but were unable to buy shares because the company was private. Now that SpaceX is publicly traded, demand has surged. The IPO price was set at $135 per share. However, market analysts believe strong demand could push the opening trading price much higher. Some estimates suggest the stock could open near $175 per share, representing a gain of around 30% on its first trading day. If that happens, early investors could see substantial gains almost immediately. However, market experts caution that IPO excitement often leads to volatility. Prices can rise rapidly, but they can also fall sharply if expectations become too high. Despite the excitement, investing in SpaceX is not risk-free. One concern is its extremely high valuation. At nearly $1.77 trillion, SpaceX is already priced for significant future success. Any slowdown in growth could disappoint investors. Another challenge is the enormous cost of future projects. Programs such as Starship, Mars exploration, and next-generation satellite networks require massive investments that may take years to generate returns. Investors should also expect market volatility. Large IPOs often experience dramatic price swings during their first months of trading. Additionally, as SpaceX expands globally, it may face increasing scrutiny from regulators, governments, and competitors. The significance of this IPO extends far beyond a single company. Wall Street analysts believe a successful SpaceX pub